Hi, this is Craig the Pool Man with Pool Specialists. Today we have a short video for you on how to set and program your schedule on an Aqualink. If you're using your phone or tablet, you'll go to your home screen. In the upper left hand corner you will see Web. Click on Web and then you will have to rotate your phone or your tablet to landscape mode and you will see this exact same screen. From here, we're going to go in and click on Menu. Then in the upper left-hand corner, click on Schedule. You see that we do not have any schedules. We will add one. First, we're going to add the filter pump. And that's going to come in at 1 p.m. to 1 p.m. Starting time for 1 p.m. is fine. We're going to reset the stop time. We're going to change that to 5:59 a.m. I have the filter pump speed set low, and so therefore it's going to run in a very low speed from 1 p.m. to 5:59 a.m. This will be equivalent to about a 60-watt light bulb. It will allow the salt chlorine generator to continue to generate chlorine. It will continuously give us flow in the pool, keeping it clear and safe. We're going to add a second schedule, and of course it reminds us that we have to save it first. Now we're going to add a second schedule, and we're going to come into the variable speed. Select that, and we're going to go to filter high. This of course is a much higher speed so that we can clear off the top and make sure that the skimmers are working so that none of the debris falls to the bottom of the pool. So here we're going to start that at 6 o'clock a.m. and we're going to end it at 12:59 p.m. This way our pump is running 24 hours a day. In the beginning or morning, it's going to clear off our pool, get all the debris off of it, and then it's going to run at a low speed so that we constantly have filtering and constantly have chlorine being generated. Once you've concluded that, you will have to save this, and once you've saved it, you could go back. That's your primary screen, and now go back to your home screen. That concludes our short video of the day. I hope it's been helpful. If it is, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.